There is a child in every one of us, right? And the child in me loves traveling as much as I love my life. People say that time heals everything, but I have felt many times that traveling can also heal. Welcome to another beautiful episode of Our Happinesses. To be very frank, I haven't traveled so much. But among the places I have visited, this place is very close to my heart. And it's Vagamon. I have felt that Vagamon has many unexplored or underrated places. And one such place is Moonmala. It is only 2 kilometers from the Vagamon town. And there are some amazing resorts around this. And one such place which I love the most is the Palettehillviewresort. This property is just opposite to the Moonmala and is located on top of a hill which makes the view really amazing. The climate here is unpredictable. It can be rainy, misty, breezy, and sometimes sunny also. But one thing I can assure you, this place is a most peaceful and calmful place that you can visit. There is also a small play area for the kids, and again, the view from there also is absolutely beautiful. Everything here is very close to the nature, and that makes them unique from the other resorts. They have a very good category of rooms, from the standard to the suite rooms, and everything comes under the affordable range. The cleanliness and the way they maintain the property has to be definitely appreciated. And next is the highlight of the show, the only infinity edge pool in Vagamon. The view from here is The restaurant here serves the best food in Vagamon. The view from the top is amazing. I have visited this place several times, but every visit is kind of a new experience. Far away from the city, hustles and bustles, this place always brings calmness into my soul. And that is the reason why it is one of my favorite places.